Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am here in front of you with this beautiful greeting card with lots and lots of techniques with a background, distressing background, and also I have used here stamps. See, it's a very simple card but I think very elegant one and a very quick card to create. So let's get started with the tutorial. For making card base, I have taken a cardstock of 10 inches by 7 inches and score at 5 inches to make it card fold. So base of the card is ready. For upper decoration, for stamping and distressing, what I have taken white cardstock which measures 4/3/4 by 6/3/4. Here I have taken paper from Irish cardstock from Dress My Craft, and for making the design, what I have done, I have fixed it on cutting mat with masking tape of broad size to fix it properly and to make it a white border. So here is it, how I have fixed it. Yeah, it's getting set perfectly. Okay, now what I will do, I have taken these 3 shades of distress ink to blend and start distressing. I have taken blending brush and started distressing randomly from lower shade to darker shade. That I have taken yellow first, then orange, and then red, which gives a good look. Now it's done. To give it a good look, I have just splash few water droplets on it and then get it dry with heat tool. If you don't want to make it with heat tool, then you can put it for few minutes so it gets dry faster, and see how beautiful it gives it a look. You can use this technique on even making envelopes, base for envelopes also. Now just remove the masking tape. See what a perfect look it gives. Now I will stamp it. For stamping, I have used Heartfelt Creations stamp and archival ink to stamp the image. First set the stamp and then press it with acrylic block. So here it's ready. Now it's time to decorate our card. So what I have done, I have taken a small black cardstock and white cardstock on it with the technique of distressing, and with a few sentiments I have decorated it.